Exercise 1.1, problem 1, we shall see about the first subdivision. So use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. So we'll take the numbers 135 and 225. So we use Euclid's division algorithm. So before that, we should know about the Euclid's division lemma, which is C is equal to dq plus r, and the condition for the r, which is the remainder, it should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than d. So this is the condition and this is the Euclid's division lemma. And we know that C should be greater than D. So let us take C as 225 and D as 135. So 225 should be written in the left hand side. D is 135 and we know that Q is quotient and R is remainder. So to get quotient and remainder, we can follow the long division method. So I'm going to divide 225 by 135. So how many 135s are there? So if you multiply 135 by 2, so you will get 270. So which is greater than 225. So we can go with 1 times of 135. So if you subtract, the remainder will be 90. So the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 90. And we have to continue applying Euclid's division lemma until we get the remainder as 0. So again we are going to apply Euclid's division lemma for 135 and 90. So we have to take the divisor and the remainder and make the divisor as dividend and the remainder as divisor. So we have to just take like this. So 135 is equal to, obviously it will be 90 times of 1. Remainder will be 135 minus 90, which is 45. Still we didn't get the remainder as 0. So we'll go with the third step. And now we are going to take 90 and 45. Remember, the biggest number should be the left hand side. So 45 times of 2 will be 90 and the remainder will be 0. So now we got the remainder as 0. We can come to a conclusion that 45 is the HCF of 135 and 225. So HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. We shall see the second subdivision. We have to find the HCF of 196 and 38,220. So we are going to use the same method, Euclid's division algorithm. So Euclid's division lemma is C is equal to dq plus r. So C should be greater than D. Let us take 38,220 as C and D is 196. So we have to find the quotient and remainder. We are going to follow the long division method. 38,220 gonna be divided by 196. So we are going to find the quotient by using trial and error. Let us multiply by 2. 6 times of 2, 12. remainder 1. 2 times of 9 is 18 plus 1, 9, remainder 1. 2 times of 2, this is 392, which is greater than 382. So let us stick on with 1, which is 196. 1 times of 196, and if we subtract, you will get 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 17. 17 minus 9 is 8, and you will get 2 here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 186. So 186 is smaller than 196. So we'll get the 2 here. So we'll drop the 2. Okay, 1862. So again we have to go with trial and error. 1862 will be 196 times of 10 will be 1960. It is nearer to 1862. So we can go with 196 times of 9. So 196 times of 9 multiplied 6 times of 9 is 54, 5 remaining. 9 times of 9 is 81. 81 plus 5 is 86, remaining 8. 8 plus 7, 8 plus 9 is 1764. 1764. So you are going to subtract here, and the remainder will be 12 minus 4. So if we carry 1, 12 minus 4, 8, and if we carry 1, 15 minus 6 is 9, and you will get 0 here. Then we are going to drop the 0 here. So 980. And let us try 196 times of 5 because it ends with 0. So if you multiply by 5, you will get 6 times of 0. 6 times of 5 is 30. Remaining 3, 9 times of 5 is 45. Remaining 4, 4 times of 5 is 5 times of 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 980. So if you subtract, you will get minus 0. Again, we forgot to write the quotient here. So 196 times of 9 is 170. 196 times of 9 is 1764. 196 times of 5 is 980. So 195 is the quotient. So now we can write 196 times of 195 plus 0. So we know that when we get the remainder as 0, we can decide the HCF in that step, which is 196. So HCF of 38,220 and 196 is 196. First problem, third subdivision. HCF of 867 and HCF of 255. So Euclid's division lemma, C is equal to DQ plus R. So C should be greater than D, which is 867 should be written left hand side. 255 is the divisor. Again, long division. 867, 255. So 255 times of 2 will be 0, 1, 11, 1, 5, 10. 255 times of 3. 5, 15, 1, 3 times of 15, 6, 1, 7, 65. So we can go with 765. 255 times of 3 is 765. If you subtract, you will get the remainder 2, 0, 1. So the remainder is 102. Quotient is 3. The remainder is 102. Still we didn't get the remainder as 0. Then we can take the 255 and 102, apply the division. So 255, 102, 102 times of 2, you will get 402, 204. So we can go with 204. The quotient is 2, remainder is 51. So quotient is 2, remainder is 51. Still we didn't get the remainder as 0. We'll continue the step. So 102 left hand side, 51 on the other side. Again, division 51, 102. So 2 times of 51 will be 102. Remainder is 0. 51 times of 2, the remainder will be 0. So when we get the remainder as 0 in a particular step, the divisor will be the HCF of numbers. So HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Simple. So just we have to follow the long division. You can get the answer easily. Thank you.